9/11, I do not know one Muslim scholar who justified this. Even those who are the scholars of the organizations that are banned lately in the United States, they said it is wrong. It cannot be justified. Because as I showed you, in Islam, you can go and fight to establish justice. But the first thing in the traditions of Prophet Muhammad is, do not kill innocent people. And the people who went to the World Trade Center at that day, many of them never even heard about Palestine or Muslims at all. 600 of the 3,000 were Muslims already. So nothing that happened on 9/11 can be justified by Islam. But we believe that anyone who kills innocent people is a terrorist, whether he lives in caves or anywhere else.